Hey YouTube family, you're watching All Apple TV and I have another unboxing for you. I'm so excited about it. I had so much fun the last time matching up my new pink sand watch band for my Apple Series 6 with some fresh Nikes, the Nike Zoom Gravity. It came out so well. They were gorgeous together, matched perfectly, had an outfit of the day and the whole 9 yards. If you haven't seen it, I'll link it somewhere on the screen. In the meantime, I've got some new Nikes to unbox and a new watch band. Hopefully these two will work out. This is the Pink Citrus, brand new from Apple, Pink Citrus Sport Band. It looks like a beautiful color in the photos. I hope it looks like that in real life. And I also have some new Nikes, the Nike Vista Lites. And I have not seen them yet. Again, they look so delicious in the photos. Beautiful color. Hopefully it will match perfectly with the Pink Citrus watch band. So I haven't seen it, just took it out of the shipping box and placed it right here so that we can do this thing together. So let's unbox it. Let's open up the watch band first. There we go. And this time I have my glasses on, guys. I say that and then watch it be difficult. Come on, Apple. There it is. All right. So, let us pull the tab. There it is. I get excited about watch bands. All right. So, we have our paperwork in several languages. Put that aside. And let's turn that around. And here we go. Open that up. Oh, yes. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Oh, wow. That is really beautiful. Right, so of course, as usual, we have the small to medium and then the medium to large and then just the buckle part. This is a gorgeous color. It's beautiful. I hope you guys can really see it. It's a really beautiful color. So this is the Pink Citrus. Now, let me go ahead and take off my watch. Get the strap ready. Oh, wow. Wow. Wow-wee. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That is beautiful with the gold. I have the gold Series 6. That is beautiful with the gold. Wow. Oh my gosh. Don't you love it when something looks even better in person than you imagined? Oh my gosh, because I mean, Apple does, you know, when they do their photos and their videos, you always get, you know, I mean, they use the best photography, best photographers and videographers, and it's usually on point, but it's amazing when something looks even better in person than it looked in the photos and videos and that you imagined. This is beautiful. Let's strap it on. I really liked the pink sand, but my goodness, I like that even better. Hold on. There we go. Wow. Wow, I like that even better. And then the pink sand. Gorgeous. Wow. Oh my goodness, I love it. All right. So now for the shoes. Again, I've got the Nike Vista Lites in a size 8.5. That's my size. And they are, I think they're running shoes. I asked the people at Nike, they told me they're running shoes, but I'm not so certain about it. Goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Already I can tell it's a perfect match. A perfect match. Oh, these look amazing. These look amazing. Come on, Nike. There shouldn't be any kind of spots on them. Look at that. Wow. These are amazing. Look at these shoes. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I think I'm developing a fetish, guys. Matching bands with shoes, especially Nikes, because those are my favorite. But my favorite sneaker company, I should say. But these are fire. These are fire. I love the shape. I love the heel. Oh my goodness. Just looks like a fast shoe. Again, mucho sexy. This is good stuff right here. Wow. Okay, let's make sure that we don't have two left feet, that we have a right and left. And we do. Right foot, left foot. There we go. All right. Man, that is exciting. Wow. Of course, I am going to break them in and shoot some video and some photos of them together for you guys. But this is a beautiful shoe. Let's see what they look like on the inside. Okay, so there's a Nike Vista Lite inside of them. Oh, look at this. I love this mesh. All right, Nike, you guys, come on now. A couple of, I'm not sure what they are. Some little spots on them, but all in all, so far so good. But yeah, I'm a little OCD, guys. So that's gonna bother me. Hopefully it'll come off. If it does, we're good. If not, we're gonna have a problem, Nike. All right, look at that. I love this. I love this mesh. A little peekaboo, a little see-through here. And here. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. Check. Got the Nike swoosh on the inside. The right foot. Oh my gosh, guys. These are gorgeous. These are going to be amazing together. All right, so I'm going to put an outfit together and I'll come back and we'll take a look and y'all will tell me what you think. Again, guys, I just unboxed the Nike Vista Lites as well as the new Apple Watch band, the Sport Band in pink citrus. And these two colors, the shoes and the band, are yummy. All right. Also, guys, just to let you know, the Nike Vistas retail for $100 and the Apple Watch band is $49 at Apple or the Apple Store. So $100 for the shoes and $49 for the watch band.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for much more. Take care.